Expedia. Find yours.
Huh. 15 minutes could save you 15% or more on car insurance. Everybody knows that. Well, did you know the Great Wall of China wasn't always so great?
What should we do?
Geico. 15 minutes could save you 15% or more on car insurance.
Behind this door, there's a scientific genius at work. My daughter. It all started when she got the Dell Inspiron 11 3000 series 2-in-1. With the performance of a laptop with Intel inside and the versatility of a tablet, the Inspiron 11 has everything a kid needs to learn and do just about anything. Whoa! Genius. Like father, like daughter.
The new Dell Inspiron 11 2-in-1 starting at $399.99. Buy a PC for $699.99 or more and get a free Dell tablet.
Have you or your son taken Risperdal? The antipsychotic drug Risperdal has been linked with gynecomastia, a serious condition which causes men to grow female breast tissue. If you or another male took Risperdal as a minor and developed breasts, call the Sentinel Group right now. You may be entitled to significant compensation. Call the number on your screen right now to confidentially connect with an experienced law firm for a free, no-charge consultation and to see if you qualify for a significant cash award. Our attorneys are ready to help fight for you. You won't pay a thing until your case is settled. Do not delay. There are strict time deadlines to file your claim. Many cases have already been settled out of court, so call us right now.
And good luck against Discotheque.
Brand new Garfunkel and Oates, tomorrow at 10 on IFC.
Hi, everyone. That last sketch was absolutely hilarious, but it brings up a good point. A camera would come out of a woman's vagina much easier than it would a man's penis.